shit. But... It's all the way out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it's on, but
I need something to keep it from falling. Oh, there we go. She can put that bitch there.
got an elbow down there.
I need something.
Long stick. Well, I'm sure, sir, we can fucking find one. Hold on, let me pull my britches up, man.
I need some participation from
Just
you.
shut up, dude.
That'd be great.
I'm mind the fucking camera.
I'm on the camera.
Hold the fuck on.
I'm a camera
You want
miner.
a little higher than that or no?
No, I think we're good. I need something to brace it from rolling backwards.
Fucking cooler.
There we go. Boom. Just don't step heavy-footed.
Alright. Where are we gonna put you at?
That crater is just getting bigger.
We're looking for tire damage, and now I see that tire is split. Yep,
It split it.
it is.
Nice.
Put a hole in that bitch.
Dude, that crater's so big.
Wow, it is. Yep. That was cool though, man.
Almost split it. Got one and a half pounds left.
All right, motherfuckers.
It's not gonna affect it. There's one.
Oh, it's not gonna fit.
How much is it? How did it all fit?
Yeah, I know.
Great. I'm excited. Huh?
You get a hard on, Roger.
I'm excited. It's gonna be great. It's gonna go. Boom! Oh, dude, it's just enough. Look at that shit. That's perfect. Perfect. That'll be a big one.
Yeah. We're gonna go put it up into the house. Pound and a half.